Hello! Let's install Docker Engine on CentOS 9 stream. First of all, we have to uninstall old versions if they exist. Then install yamutils and add the Docker repo. Next, we will install Docker Engine, Container Daemon, and Docker Compose. Start the Docker service. Now we will test if Docker is installed correctly by running a container from the Hello World image. If you encounter this issue, you can fix the permission denied error by looking at the bottom of the page. And consulting the post-installation article. To manage Docker as a non-root user, you need to follow these steps. Create a Docker group if it does not exist. Add the user to the Docker group. Log out and log back in. You can also run the following command to activate the changes to the groups. Finally, verify that you can run Docker commands without sudo. Now we can list all stopped containers and remove them all. Have a great day!